kind of work with growth trends and basically getting like a linear growth or just a growth based off a percentage. So for this one, we're going to get a linear growth based off quarter one, 17,500, and quarter four. So we want to see what the linear growth would be for this. It's just an approximation, just to kind of get like a future forecast. So we're going to go to the drop down menu here. We're going to go to series. We're going to put linear. We're going to put a trend. So depending on the trends, this is what the linear chart, or this will be like the linear growth for this. So we're going to press OK. And there you go. So it will have little increments. And then for this one, what we want to do is basically we want to see what the growth would be depending on the percentage here. So this is the initial 17,500, and we want to see the increase of income by 2.5%. So we're gonna do it similar but a little bit different. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to series. We're gonna put a growth, and we're gonna put the percentage of 2.5, and then boom, and just like that. So now we can see what the trend would look like with the growth of a 2.5%. Boom. Then right here, we're gonna make a quick reference to the current year. We're gonna put this cell here, so we're gonna put equal this cell, and then we're gonna equal this cell. We're gonna put enter. Now it's gonna reflect this and this cell, and then we're basically going to extrapolate the income based on the income in quarter four, so based off this income. And then we're going to see the growth rate at 3%. So we're going to go right here. We're going to highlight it. Go to the series again. And we are going to use a percentage actually of 1.025. It's going to be a growth. This is wrong. And of course, you can play with the growth however you want to do it. Growth trend using a 1.03. That's a set value. Okay, we'll go there. And that would be that. So again, you guys can always do your own linear growth or growth trend depending on a certain percentage. And that's it.